I'm going to share a secret with you. It's a little practice that I've found really useful in getting me into my body and stopping me being too heady in these videos. And it's really simple and actually really fast, and it really just involves, wherever you are right now, just having a really good shake, just like just wriggling around and finding anything that's tight and just giving it a shake free and loosening up. It feels so good. And usually it's followed by a deep outward breath, which for me is a really good indicator I'm letting go. Everyone knows how when we are feeling tension or anxiety or nervous, it's really quite unconscious, but we often hold our breath. And the feeling that causes in our body is a contraction, and breathing outwards and shaking it free and letting it all go is an expanding feeling, and that's what I'd love to do more of. So, and I'm sure I'm not alone with that. And another way that we can really expand ourselves is through sound. And so we're going to play with the sounds of pleasure. And this isn't something you need to do in front of anybody else. This is something you can do on your own, either with me or following the video, and at any time of day, anytime you have spare, free space, really. It can be good in the car. It's really fun in the car, actually, if you're alone and you're on the motorway. And basically just find a space for it and watch what happens. So to begin with, take a few deep breaths and just rock a little bit wherever you're sitting. Find a comfy space, have a little rock and a little jiggle. Really feel yourself settle deep into your pelvis, deep into the place you're sitting. Feel how you're supported, and just take some deep breaths in and out. Make sounds as you release. And make your breath audible, so it's like it's warming your body. And as you're breathing out, you're feeling it coming up your neck and out of your mouth and spilling forward. And the way I picture it is that we're breathing out and handing over to the earth. We're breathing out everything we want to let go of and letting it go to the beautiful earth. Try different sounds. Try a sound as you breathe out. And still just let your body move however it feels to. Knowing everyone's sound is different. Everyone has a different song. Notice the depth and the length of your breath as you let it go. Notice how the breath feels as it comes in. How your cells start to feel alive. Allow the vibration to resonate in your throat and clear anything that's unsaid, unspoken. Allow your breath to tickle you as it comes into your mouth and into your throat and down into your lungs and reaches out to all of your body. Thank your body with your out breath for the beautiful healing wisdom it holds in knowing how to let go. Let the sounds come however they may. Just notice your body's ways of moving energy. You don't need to understand the sounds. They don't have to sound any certain way. Just play with whatever wants to come out. Extend your spine and really sit straight as you take in deep breaths that come in all the way through your central channel, all the way down your spine to the base. Breathe out. Let your body move however it feels to. Smile. Put a smile on your face as you breathe. Notice how the smile carries through your whole body. Place your hands on your throat. Feel the vibration that your sounds are making as you're breathing. Draw the sounds up from deep in your belly. Continue to play. Continue to explore, knowing there's no way that is right with this. It's pure experience and it's pure expression. Get to know your breath and get to know its unique and beautiful way of serving you and of bringing you peace and bringing you energy and bringing you into expanded states of gratitude and love.